Hey guys, welcome to your third HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, we're just going to be going over some more text formatting things. At the end of the last tutorial, I said we would be going over like text blinking and subscripts and superscripts, but we're actually not going to cover those. We're going to cover some different text things that we can do instead. So yeah, if we go back to our index, we're just going to type a little bit and actually mess with the font. So let's give ourselves a paragraph tag. I'm joking. Look at that, guys. You're my peers. Alright. So to show you different things that we can do with font itself, B bolds it. So I am is going to be bolded. But you have to end it. We can also nest other tags within these, so we can bold it and underline it. So outside of the bold, put U and end it with its appropriate counterpart closing bracket. That's what it'll look like. So I actually need to go and launch this. Because our background's black, it won't see it, so we need to actually copy. See what I did wrong? Since we don't have CSS to apply a styling to an entire paragraph, so our font's still black. So in order to accommodate that, what we're going to do is break up this paragraph tag and then place a color within it. So save that and then refresh. See how it's bolded and underlined? That's just one thing you can do to change the text a little bit. Not only do you have bolding and underline, but you have strike through. So if you just write the word strike, and then might as well just go to the end of the now it's strike through. These are all just little adds you can, as you're going through a paragraph, you want to emphasize something so you bold it, or you want the user to know that they can click on something so you underline it. Something else we can do with our images, so let's go to Tom, is we can manipulate their size, and that is getting on my nerves. Let's go ahead and change this back to being white. That's just taking off this styling. You see how we have to do this for all 3 pages? In CSS, all you would have to change is one document, and it changes everything throughout the entire thing. We also have it so that we can change their length and height, width and height, or was it a JPEG? It was a JPEG. So we can have a style on here, and then let's just say 15 pixels, and then height 15 pixels, and the pixels is shown by px right here. Whenever you have this in a style, everything in here has to be encompassed by parentheses, so you do these colons. You see how much smaller he is right now? What's happening is basically the browser's taking this original image right here of Tom, that big boy, and making it teeny tiny and putting it right there. But what we could also do, because let's say we have a really slow connection, to get this picture and then to shrink it all the way down to 15 pixels can be taxing, especially if you have a high density image. And so what you can do is have different sizes of images available and then switch them out with the... Hey guys, I know we didn't do much in this lesson, but In the next tutorial, we're going to be working with tables, and then the tutorial after that, we're going to be working with list. And then around the 15th tutorials when we'll actually get to the CSS, and then we're going to be doing some stuff with HTML5 and CSS3 towards the end of this tutorial series. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.